Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. This is Earwax Removal Vlog number 123. In today's episode, we're going to take a look at a patient's severely impacted ear. Here's my disclaimer. This is not medical advice. This video is not meant to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. This is strictly for education and entertainment purposes only. Look at that giant chunk of wax that came out of this patient's ear. As we look back down, it still appears to be very much impacted, and we have little to no view of the eardrum. As we start working this earwax down the ear canal towards the opening, we're going to get a better view as we go back in. You can see that there's quite a bit of dry hard wax at the bottom of the ear canal, and there's also one hanging from the top of the ear canal. The coloration is very different, one being darker, probably been in there longer, and the other one much lighter orange color that's a little bit newer wax. Alright, so let's see if we can't get this darker piece off the floor of the ear canal. We're actually going to try to roll this out nice and gentle. If you like these wax removal videos, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm and keeps me motivated to get this content put out there. My goal is to get at least one new video every week out, so there's always fresh content available for you to watch. All right, now that we got that dry wax at the bottom moved, we're going to look back in, and we see that there is still that piece hanging up at the top part of the ear canal. We're going to use the curette, sneak in behind that wax, and gently and slowly coax it off the top of the ear canal and out along the right ear canal wall. It's always very important to move slowly when I'm doing this because we don't want to cause any discomfort for the patient. Part of the reason that the patients experience so little discomfort is when we use the video system, we get a great view of the eardrum, just like that, and also of whatever's in front of it. So we're able to move the wax without hitting the ear canal wall and causing discomfort. Your ear canal, especially down this deep, is very sensitive, so anything pressing into or running into the ear canal wall is going to cause pain or discomfort. All right, on this side, not nearly as much wax, but again, the patient was in for a cleaning, so we're going to make sure we get everything all cleaned out. You can see most of the eardrum with just a little bit along the floor of the ear canal, so we'll just use the curette. We'll get behind all this wax, pick it up, and pull it right on out for the patient. Now you can see it went all the way to the floor of the ear canal, just something on the ear canal wall. So we're going to turn the curette slightly, and again, try to get behind it, not pressing hard into the ear canal, making sure that we have a light touch in order to avoid discomfort for our patients. All right, there's a big chunk that came out, got all over the camera. And now we get a great view of the eardrum, but there's still this little bit. So we're going to, again, work. You can see that the patient's ear canal actually forms a little bit of a V, a little bit of a deep valley there. That V shape makes it so the wax doesn't run out as smooth. Wonderful view of the ear. This has been You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.